Hi guys, welcome to another video. This is the Troy. So let's start this session about the data science. So we are confusing about the one calculation. What is data science? So is this a coding? Is this a computer engineering background, or is this a developers? So the answer is no. Those are not the data scientists. Data scientists, while the data sciences come from the many different education backgrounds and the work experience, and so most should be the strong in idle case studies and the fundamental expertise. So data science is just an innovative way to present the data and to solve the complex business problems. These are there are the no particular order priorities regarding to data science or the importance. These are business domains, mathematics, computer science, communications, etc. There are other skills expertise that are highly desirable as well. These are primary for in the my opinion. This will refer to the data science as a pillar for the rest of the articles. Like you have the very good knowledge of the business acumen, mathematics, computer science, or the communication skills. That's a note matter. If you have the good knowledge of the business acumen, how to understand the businesses and how to use the basic science tools, then you can pretend as a data scientist. In the reality, people are often strong in the one or the two of these pillars, but not usually equally strong in all fours. If you do happen at the meet a data scientist is truly an expert in all, if you are passionate, found yourself as a unicorn. Based on these pillars, my data scientist definition is a person who should be able to leverage the existing data resources, create the new one in needed to order to access the meaningful informations and actionable insights. A data scientist does not through the business domain or the expertise, effective communications or the result enterprise. Is this relevant? Is this not relevant or the compulsory to you have the domain knowledge or the deep knowledge of programming language and the software packages? That's a one thing you just have to galvanize that. Yeah, this is a program we are talking about the data science. The insights that the data scientists uncover should be used to drive the business decisions and taking the actions to achieve the business goals. In order to understand the importance of these pillars, one must first understand the businesses and the deliver they are try to solve, and on the basis of these expectations they are just try to expect that yeah, this is the one thing we are just trying to expect, and this is not a everything. We are just making this on the basis of relevant expectations. So short list of the common data science deliverables like predictions, classifications, recommendations, pattern detections and groupings, anomaly detection, recognitions, actionable insights, etc. Each of these data scientists may think that her goal is to create a high performance predictions engines. The business plan that utilized to predict the engines on the one hand may have the goal of the increasing revenue, which can be achieved by using the predictions engine. While many executives are exceptionally smart individuals, they are not well vested in the all of the tools, techniques, algorithms available to their data scientists. Given this, they are not able to tell a data scientist what they would like to final deliver. So that's the data resources and the features. Even if an executive is able to determine that a specific recommendation engine would help increase the revenue, then they may not be realized that there are probably many other ways. So it can be therefore not be emphasized through that the ideal data sciences are the fairer comprehensive understanding about how business works in a journal and how a company data can be used to achieve the top level business goals. With a significant business domain expertise, so the expertise a data scientist should be able to regularly discover and new initiatives to help the business and achieve its goal and maximize their KPIs. That's a definition of the data scientist. So next is the data science pillar, skills and education, the that we are going to discuss about that. So we have already discussed the business domains and the communication pillars, which represent the business acumen and the top-notch communication skills. This is very important for the discovery and the goal phase. It is also very helpful in data science. Scientists typically have to present and communicate results to the key stakeholders, including executives. So the strong soft skills, particular communications, and the public speaking ability as the key. In the phase where the results are communicated and deliverable, the magics in the data science ability to deliver the result is understandable. While using the appropriate language, jargon level for the her audience in auditions, uh, results should always be related back to the business goals that spans the project in the first place. For all other phases listed, the data scientists we have to draw the attention regarding the knowledge about the statistics, probability, and the mathematics in order to understand the data. The important things to discuss are of the shelf data, science platforms, and APIs. One may have to tempted to think that these can be used relatively easily and must not require the significant expertise in the certain fields, therefore not require a strong and a well-rounded data scientist. It is true that many of these of the shelf products can be used relatively easily, or one can probably obtain the pretty decent results depending on the problem solving techniques. But there are many aspects of the data science where experience and the chops are critically important. Some of these includes the ability to customize the approach solution to the specific problems at the hand in order to maximize the results, including the ability to write the new algorithms and the significant modify the existing data. That's a complete criteria for the data science. Education wise, there is no single path to becoming a data scientist. Many universities has created the data science and analytics specific programs, mostly at the master degree level. Some universities and the other organizations also offer the certificate programs as well. In addition to the traditional degree and the certification programs, there are the boot maps being offered that range from a few days or the months to complete the online self-guiding learning focus on the data science and related fields. No matter what path is taken to learn data, and scientists should have the advanced quantitative knowledge, high technical skills, primarily in the stats, mathematics, and the computer science. The science in data science. Basically, what is the meaning of science and data science? The science is usually synonymous with the scientific methods. Some of you may have noticed that the process outlined above is very similar to the process categorized by the expressions of the scientific methods. Here is an image of the visualize the scientific method as an ongoing process. So data science versus say data analytics. So data analysts share the many of the small skills and responsibilities as a data scientist, and some have the similar backgrounds as well. Some of the shared skills include the ability to access and query the different data resources, process and clean the data, summarize the data, understanding the use of statistical and mathematical techniques, prepare the data visualization reports. Some of the key differences are that data analytical typically are not programmers, not responsible for the statistic modeling, machine learning, and many of the steps involved in the data science. So data science domain is very big. We can expertise this in the many fields as far as I concerned about that. And there's a various opportunities you can develop in the data science programs. So this is all for this video. Just connect with the channel to have the more expertise on the related fields. So thank you so much.